Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today, I'm here at my desktop. This is my Acer TravelMate laptop and it is basically in a KDE, which is, I'll let you show you my system. So my computer system is a KDE Neon 6 and of course, this is Plasma version 6.1.4 with the X11 graphic platform, and of course together with me I have my iPad for this session because I want to install the Spotify music right here in my Linux computer. But of course I have already my Spotify in my iPad and I want to install this into my desktop, and of course it is very easy to use this. And of course let me show you how to install this. So you have to go to the Discover, the App Center, and of course you have to look for the Spotify on the search bar, and you have the searches right here. You have a lot of packages right here. I have the Flatpak and the Snap. So for now I just want to install this, and let's try to see what version this is. It is in version 1.2, and in the Snap it is version 1.2. Okay, this is all the same, so no problem with that one. So as you can see, I have my iPad right here. If I open my Spotify, so there you have it. That is my Spotify. So let's try to download this one. Let's install by clicking install from FlatHub. Of course, indication right here in the bottom, we have 12% right now. So let's just wait until we install everything. It will be based on the speed of your internet. So I have this Spotify for how many years already, and of course it is my go-to. Before I was like using it for free, but of course it's a little bit like cannot shuffle or cannot do anything about it, so that's why I install this as a application. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes. So right now I already have my Spotify, and of course it is now ready to launch. Let's try to launch this one. So I have to log into my account. So let's try to type in my account name, which is of course through my email. Okay, let's try to see. Let's log into my account. Let's continue the app. So there you have it. So that's how easy in Linux operating system compared to Windows. In Windows you have to dodge into these different settings and drivers and updates, but right here in Linux you are just completely like just one click away. Everything is done for you, just like in your Apple computer, either it is in iPad or in Mac. So there are a little bit like similarity between the Linux and the iPad and the Mac OS, because Mac OS and iPad are actually in Unix operating system, while the Linux you have different distros like the KDE or the Ubuntu and all those stuff, while in Windows they have the hybrid type of operating system, which is just a little bit like bypassing the security system. That's why it's a little bit like dodging the problem with the application sometimes. That's the problem, I think, there with the Windows. They bypass the security system. So anyway, for example, I have to search for a playlist or a song right here. So just click right here on the search button, and of course, for example, I am looking for a Linkin Park. So Linkin Park songs right here. So just like that. You just play and then it will just work fine. So let's try to play this one just a little bit. Okay, there it is. It is playing. So that's how easy right here in Linux operating system compared to Windows. So anyway, that's it for now. I am Blair, your science, computer and mathematics teacher right here in KKU and Concan University Demonstration School for International Division. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That is why science is cool. Ciao.